coronavirus outbreak began to be global pandemic on March 2020. It is an international health problem. Coronavirus disease, or we usually call it COVID-19, is an infected disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. This virus was found in Wuhan, China for the first time in the end of 2019. That's why we call it COVID-19. More than 2 million people around the world were infected by COVID-19 now, precisely in 212 countries. The COVID-19 affect different people in different ways. COVID-19 is a respiratory disease, and most infected people will develop mild to moderate symptoms and recover without requiring special treatment. But people who have underlying medical condition and those over 60 years old have a higher risk of developing severe disease and death. Common symptoms include dry cough, fever, and tiredness, while the other symptoms include sore throat, shortness of breath, and very few people will report diarrhea, nausea, and runny nose. People with mild symptoms or who are otherwise healthy should self-isolate and contact their medical provider or COVID-19 information line for advice on testing and referral, while people with fever, cough, and difficulty breathing should call their doctor and seek medical attention. If we already know about the danger of COVID-19, then what will we do to prevent and to stop the transmission of COVID-19 infection? Don't worry, this is some ways to stop to prevent COVID-19 transmission. Firstly, wash your hand regularly with soap on the flowing water. Or if you cannot find water, you can clean them with hand sanitizer. Secondly, avoid touching your face, especially in three parts: your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. Then, practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and stay away from large amounts of people. The next, stay at home if you feel unwell. But if you must stay away from home because emergency thing, you should wear your mask. And the last, if you are coughing and sneezing, you must cover your mouth and your nose because the COVID-19 spread primarily through droplet of saliva, while an infected person cough and sneeze. So, it is important to wear your mask everywhere, wherever you go, wherever you are. For our reminder, in our beloved country, in Indonesia, more than 6,000 people were infected by COVID-19 now. Although people who are infected can recover, but we have to save our healthness because prevention is better than cure. So please stay safe, save your beloved person, stay at home,